Laitkam byllai, ikam balai japo State Rural Employment Society japo East Janty Hills District Klirat, the District Social Welfare Officer East Khasi Hill District, nanta japo District Medical and Health Officer Ribohoi District. Kini Laitliki District, hakini gi tratri kama bher nyapat kawai hadin kawai pan. Nyapat chua jongka District Social Welfare Officer East Khasi Hill District. Kam balai kidon kumba samteli post balai. Application in standard form invited from eligible candidates or citizens of India for filling up the following posts under the Meghalaya Program for Rehabilitation of Persons with Disabilities Scheme East Khasi Hill District Shillong purely on contractual basis. Teka post banengkong kadai community based rehabilitation workers CBRW South Lee ki post Haman ke CNRD block badan hapo East Khasi Hills. Kawai ke post hapo Mau Plang block, kawai hapo Soyong block, kawai hapo Maulai block, kawai hapo Shela Bohola Gines block. Kasnam kipan arpuwai haduk live arsnam nang tasan snam relax SCST mud haduk live nyau snam. Qualification and eligibility criteria class 10 pass, preference will be given to those having computer knowledge, some concept about disability, any disability certification course or experience. Kajing siu kadai sipo hajar sispa khatsao manu benai. After the list of villages under which circle can be built on the office notice board during the office hours or log in to https://macxreda.in. Tesana kawai ka post pat tanggawai hakane ka post kerteng kadai multi-purpose rehabilitation worker kane kadai hapo Melim CNRD block. Ahar puai hadalai pu arsnam mud hadu lai punyusnam biki ST SC. Kinekipan class 12 pass, preference will be given to those having computer knowledge, some concept about disability, any disability certification course or experience. Kajing siu kharwai hajar lai spa sipau manu benai. The applicant must be a domicile of the respective block or circle. Kita batap kedai benlong kinong song jong ka block lanai jong ka circle. Applications must be submitted to the office of the District Social Welfare Officer, East Khasi Hills, Shillong, Lower Lashumere behind Gold's Gym during office hours. Alternatively, can be applied online at https://macxsrcda.in. Tarik haduk benpai application form link back online lane ke offline mode kadai khatsau tarik August aracar arpausan. Tengapet sekane kam balai hapo District Medical and Health Officer Ribohoi District. Kidon kumba nyau teliki kam. Ar teliki post de jong medical officer kipan kajing siu kadai ripo hajar katarik interview kadai arpnyau tarik August aracar arpusan. MBBS from recognized medical institution of Indian and abroad duly registered with any state medical council or NMC. Applicants should have completed compulsory rotator internship. A staff nurse lightly arpo hajar kajing siu BSc Nursing or GNM from an institution recognized by Nursing Council of India and registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. Para tarik August arcara pusan ka written test nanta interview kadai arpnyo tarik August arcara pusan nanta ANM lightly ki post khatnyo hajar san spa kajing siu ANM from an institution recognized by Nursing Council of India and registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. Arpo tarik August arcara pusan ka written test arpnyo tarik August arcara pusan ka date of interview. Tekine kidaki kam bala pentip daka District Medical and Health Officer Ribohoi District nang po. Eligible and interested candidates for the post of staff nurse and INM can submit the application form along with relevant certificate testimonial in hard copy only in the office of the District Medical and Health Officer Ribhoy District Nongpok at BPMU NH room, second floor, on or before the 5 p.m. of the 14th August 2025. Tarik hadok tarik hasau tarik August ara cara pusan. Nam taka post and candidates with NM qualification can only apply for the post of NM. Jika post NM tang kita badan certification jong ke NM kila bantap. Nam taka medical officer kan sasudan beka walk in interview haka ar penyau tarik August ara cara pusan haka kapor kat ar siteng mensengi. Ternyata sekenai kawai kapo kikam jemputip Laitkam pada State Rural Employment Society District Implementing Division East Janti Hills District cleared. Application standard form with complete biodata are hereby invited from candidates as citizens of India, preferably resident of the state, for the following posts under State Rural Employment Society District Implementation Division on contractual basis for a period of 1 year in East Janti Hills District, Cleared, Meghalaya. The post kilong kinaharom training coordinator kawai ka post place of posting SRES East Janti Hills District, Cleared. Master degree in rural development, agricultural extension, social work, or PG diploma in rural development or its equivalent from any reputed university or institution. Minimum of 4 years of work experiences in rural development related fields. Kasar hajar kacing siu. Kena kawai pat MISDO. Kawai ke post SRES BID Lumshnong CNRD block. Class 12 pass with diploma or in computer. Minimum of 2 years in work experience in related field. Kasar hajar kacing siu. Technical support staff. Kawai ke post SRES BID Lumshnong CNRD block. BTech or BE in civil engineering from a recognized institution or university. Minimum of 3 years of work experience in related field. Khasan hajar ka jingsiu. Tarik khaduk benpoy application form gadai khatsau tarik August ara cara pusan. Attested copies of all certificates and mark sheets related to educational qualification certificates. Attested copies of ST, SC, OBC, to recent passport size photograph be affixed on the application form and signed across. Contact number of applicant, if any, which should be mentioned in the application form. Begitu kita kicing peta, jauh kikot kislah, kicing peta kumdo ban, pendai ikot kislah berankam pendai nak abanta hapo basamit yaki application form hapo office jang State Rural Employment Society District Implementation Division East and District cleared. Tangkinahi kicing pentip Laitkam hakanika video kublai shibun.